Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto and Mining Update 2025. So on today's video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to withdraw your very tokens from your very chat app to your Web3 wallet. It can either be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, OKX, any custodial wallet that you want. So previously I did a video on how to add the very network on your Web3 wallet, on your custodial wallet. So you can check on the description of the video to find the video guide on how to add the very chain network on your MetaMask wallet or any Web3 custodial wallet you are using. So let's proceed. We are withdrawing our very tokens from our very chat app to our MetaMask wallet. So of course you need to verify your ID first. So do the verification. The verification is pretty quickly, around 1 hour 30 minutes it's done. So yeah, first verify. Then the next step, click on wallet there. Then when you click on our wallet section, of course you're going to see your very tokens here. So you're going to see the assets you have in very, so they're going to appear here. So now when they appear here, you can click on there now to send them. So click on that arrow. Then of course this page is going to appear. It's going to show you the number of very tokens you have. So for my case, you can see it's 0, but on your side, if you've been mining, you're going to have some assets here. So yeah, after seeing the assets there, what you do, we want to send. So you want to send, come and click on send here. So when you click on send, the tab for sending is going to appear. You can see very mainnet, then the address, then to which address to send, then the address that you want to transfer our coins to, we're going to paste it here. Then check the wallet address you've entered. Then of course come and click complete to send the very tokens to our wallet of choice. So yeah, for our case we want to transfer to MetaMask. So what go to my MetaMask wallet, then unlock it, then come and click on the very token, then click on receive, then copy the address. Sorry, I'm supposed to click on receive, not send. So cancel, click on receive, then copy this address. After copying it, now go to the very chat app and paste the address you have copied to the address section. So you confirm the address you have entered, then of course come and click on complete here. Then this page for amount is going to appear. So for my case, you can see I have 0 tokens, but for your case you're going to have some assets. So you're going to click on max, or if you are afraid of sending all of them at once, you can just impute in bits. So impute the amount you want to send there. After imputing, let's say it's around, let's say 20k very tokens, so impute them there. Then of course it's going to take some little very as gas fee for the transaction. Then yeah, proceed to come and click on complete to successfully transfer your very tokens from your very app to your MetaMask wallet. And when you click on complete, after the transaction is completed, your very tokens are going to reflect on your MetaMask wallet. So yeah, they're going to reflect on your MetaMask wallet, and they're going to reflect on this section here. You're going to see your tokens here, and if you can't see them, that means you haven't added the network. And if you haven't added the network, just go to the description of the video. You'll find the video on how to add the network. And basically that's how you transfer your very tokens from your very chat app to your Web3 wallet. The method of withdrawing is basically same to all the Web3 custodial wallets. So yeah, just do it if you want to withdraw your very tokens. And yeah, basically that's it. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for more crypto and mining updates.